So, hey, good evening once again. And this is Jeff XCG, and I'm a Forex trader in Uganda. So, we're going to be doing some top down analysis on gold, and this is how it goes. So, a lot of traders are interested in gold. Why? Because it's kind of volatile and it makes money. So, like we had said earlier, this was a high on gold. This one, I remember showing you that. So this was a high on gold. Of course, here we were expecting breakout structure for a long time, but all it did was a liquidity what? A liquidity sweep. So with this liquidity sweep, what should we be expecting? You see that? And this is a daily time frame, by the way. So with that, uh, you need to be aware that gold is on an uptrend. And after this sweep, definitely you see gold later on confirming what we can call break of structure. And after confirming this break of structure, you're gonna be heading over to the lower time frames and see what was really happening on this internal structure. So basically, I'm gonna be using this one as a turning point on the lower time frame. So let's drop to the 1 hour. Let's see what's happening there. Let's see what's happening on the 1 hour. So 1 hour on gold, I'm gonna be analyzing it. Okay. So where is that turning point I was talking about? Oh, this was too far. This was too far. This was too far. So let me analyze it from this area here. We like this area so much. This is why we had the sweep. Okay, at around this point. So this was a structure, the internal. So being a break of structure, the internal. Of course, here we have to use this one as inducement. All right. So having used that one as inducement, basically we were looking for buying opportunities, and this was the inducement. So with that inducement, price later on gave us what we can call a change of character around this area here. So that is chalk for us. So with the chalk, we are looking for inducement. So where is that inducement that was taken out? It's here. Inducement taken out. Remember we said inducement is the last pullback after a break of what? After a break of structure. After that inducement, we get chalk. Sorry, that is boss. Then we are looking for inducement, like the last pullback that has been taken out. So this is it. This is it. So the inducement is the last pullback after boss. And of course here, this was the high. And once it's taken out, then that one will become a change of character, right? So in the change of character, we are looking for inducement, which is this, and after the inducement, we want to buy up to this area, okay? And the close above that area will be confirm the break of what? Structure. Remember we're in an uptrend, and once the high is taken out in an uptrend, that is boss. All right. So we are looking for inducement, the last pullback that has been taken out. So this one will work for us as inducement. Of course, after it was taken out, there was a break of structure. After this break of market structure, we are looking for inducement, and this inducement is here. So after the inducement is taken out, we are looking to buy, and as we're buying, we don't want to see price going beyond this. Because that was a valid what? That was a valid low. Otherwise, a close below will be a change of character. Now, let me show you something. Let me show you something very fast. Okay, I'm gonna be using some of these icons here. So this is a low. Okay, so without a valid low, this is a high. Okay, and this was a high as well. So what does that mean? It means that price was doing this. Okay, so that is basically what we represent there. So from there, I want us to move very fast. Talk, raise inducement. Uh, Let me just do the analysis because I believe most of you already know this. And for those who don't know, it will be another time when we're going to be having a lesson with you. So that was liquidity sweep, and boss was confirmed right there. And after confirming that break of structure, we look for inducement, which is right here. And that inducement wasn't taken out, but price took out this minor low. Okay, so after taking out that minor low, we want to shift the inducement here. Okay, so when that inducement was taken out, we were looking to sell from wire here, heading all the way down. So is that one causing chaos? Anyway, let's go. Uh, this one becomes a break of structure. So after a break of structure, of course, we are looking for inducement such that we can continue doing what? Such that we can continue selling. Okay, so with that inducement, you want to be looking for a selling opportunity. All right. So you don't want to see price crossing that one with a candle closing above. Otherwise, if it's a candle closing above, we confirm the change of character. But with this was a sweep, and with a sweep, you already know what it is. Yes, fortunate. You can see your hand up. Yes, fortunate. Fortunate, your hand is up. Okay. So that was a liquidity sweep about there. And with that liquidity sweep, of course, we were looking for sales up to this point. And after this one is taken out, this high shifts to this. All right. So let's continue. So here we are looking for sales after this boss. Sorry, this is a block of structure. So price here pushed up, pushed upside and gave us what we can call chalk. After this chalk, we look for inducement. Did we have any? Let's check and see. Let's check and see. Did we have any? So the inducement we had was here. Alright. So with that inducement, we want to buy up to this high. Right. So as you can see, so price pushed higher, giving us a buzz. Okay. So with that buzz, we're looking for inducement, and here inducement on gold was here. Price failed to take it out and ended up taking out this high. So we can confirm that this one, actually this is a minor high. So if this minor high is taken out, then our inducement will be shifted from here to the last pullback here. Okay, meaning that at this particular point, we want to see gold coming back to take out inducement and maybe mitigate something, right? And after mitigating something, then we can look for confirmations to buy, right? So we can be looking for confirmations to buy till we target any high. And remember, a high becomes valid after taking out inducement in an uptrend. Take note. So basically, that's our view on gold as long as gold is still moving this way. All right. So remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more of this. Turn on the notification bell to get notified in case we drop information like this.